Hello and welcome to Taik. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about this is the most important questions which mostly many people are asking in the community. So is there any career in 2022 in Power BI, or do I get a job in Power BI? What are the things I need to learn for Power BI? So there are lots of things are there in the minds of all peoples, those who are freshers, those who are just starting up in Power BI career, or even those who are experienced and they want to switch the careers into Power BI. So I will try to do as much as possible to cover all these questions answered in this video. Hopefully you will get most out of it. Before that, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. As I am from India, so I use this job portal which is the naukri.com, which is the most famous in India. So almost most of the people are using it for the job related things. So here I just log into this website and then I search for Power BI. Nothing else, no experience, no locations. So if I do so, here it has written 26,433 Power BI jobs. The first thing, there are jobs available. That's good thing. And so we have a future in Power BI. We can build a future in Power BI. That's as simple as that. So here on the right side, if you see here, how many jobs are there in the different locations. So in Delhi, these are the jobs in Mumbai, Chennai, and Coimbatore, Bangalore, Hyderabad. So many jobs are available in a different cities also. So that is also no need to worry about that. So mostly I can see Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai. Okay, most of the top cities also have these openings. Alright, so if you just scroll down, the salary structure, what we have it here is also, this is for the freshers mostly, this is for the experience and bit experience and higher levels also. So we also have different kinds of salary range, and the experience is not here. Alright, so the top company which listed out here is basically Accenture, IBM, Flipkart, Dell India. So many companies are there which they have openings. So the main question still exists, so please wait till the end of this video. So any requirement and the kind of industry which they are looking for. So enough about this one. Now let's look into the main topic, which is the job descriptions. The main question which asks many people is, do I just need to learn Power BI, or apart from that, do I need to learn the SSAS, SSIS or SQL or anything else? So here's the first which comes up here, which I am recording this video at that time. So you should have a 2 years of experience in Power BI reporting with SQL. DAX should be able to. So let's click on this one for an example. So if you look at this one, this company has job description of should have 2 years of experience in Power BI reporting with SQL and DAX. Should have hands-on experience with Azure Custo and Azure. Should be able to design, develop and implement Power BI report and dashboard with minimal supervision. Should have a good technical and analytical skills on SQL, SSIS and SSAS. Should have a well-versed with data warehousing, good communication skill. Okay, so if I go back now, what about the other thing, which is a Genpact here, and if I click on this role, it's on the company website, and here skills mandatory. So extensive Power BI implementation and architecting experience including latest version, strong experience in Power BI, experience in Power BI development including experience in Azure environment, experience report in Power BI, gateway service report server, DAX, KPI, certified Power BI is added advantage here. Understanding of relational database structure, theories, principle and practices. So strong SQL reporting skill with ability to create SQL views, write SQL queries. Here build strong COI approach, and yeah. So here they are asking about the Power BI and SQL. There it was like SSAS and SSIS. Okay, so let's look at another one, which is the Power BI application designer in Accenture. And if I click here, so key responsibility, technical experience, professional experience. So what they actually need is proven experience as BI developer or data scientist, industry experience is preferred, background in data warehouse design, example dimensional modeling and data mining in depth, understanding of database management system, OLAP and ETL transform load framework. Okay, this is a kind of requirement, and let's take an example of again for Genpact. No, I will take into different company for Power BI developer in Atkins. Okay, so here is the primary job duties and responsibility will include. These are the things. So basic qualification, process automation, machine learning, artificial intelligence, bachelor degree, and here nothing much. If I go back again, click on this Genpact itself. Let's close others here. Okay. Requirement is mandate to have experience with BI tools and systems such as Power BI, Tableau or SAP. Must have relevant experience of data specific roles, grip or data analytics, proficient in Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Yeah, if you see this one, this is a specific only to Power BI alone. So this is the proficiency. I think most of them are aware of MS Excel, Word kind of thing. If you don't, then you may need to learn on this one. But apart from this, they are not asking about any kind of SQL, SSAS and SSIS jobs. Okay, so now let's look into other one, which is kind of let's look into another thing. Okay, here is the one Power BI developer's role. Okay, here what they are asking about 3+ years of experience in data warehousing with specific experience in BI report development, in 3.6 Power BI, import BI, knowledge SSRS or Tableau, data integration and testing, experience in SSRS and SQL industry experience. So mainly they are looking for Power BI and SSRS and a bit of data warehousing experience. So this is also kind of Power BI, most part of it itself, right? And if you look at the other options like so let's take some. So even though these are the companies itself, so let's look into other one. I'm just clicking on randomly here. So let's look into the next page. Okay, so if I click on this one, they are asking about the SQL, Azure storage account and Power BI, right? So SQL.NET here they are asking. If I close this one and if I look into this one, Azure Databricks, data visualization and MSBI data modeling, and also if they are asking about SSAS, Power BI and SQL, here also Azure, SSAS, SSIS. So here they are asking about the SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and here just Power BI, Tableau, Power BI, Azure Cloud analytical skills, MS SQL, SSIS, MicroStrategy. Alright, so if you see this one, so first of all, as if you ask me about my personal opinion, is basically we have jobs in Power BI, so no need to worry about that, and we have also in almost all the places in India, and also the salary range is also good, and also the experience level is also they are asking about, like even if I filter the experience to be like less than 1 year, let's see how it goes. See, even for the less than 1 year it's giving me this option. Even if I just click on the 0, so 0 to 5 they are asking about this one, right? So urgent opening for Power BI Chennai. So even though the salary scale might be low because you don't have any experience on that, but if you look at this one, the requirement what they are asking is about the Python, MSBI, SQL and Power BI, right? So majority of it, if you take, then you just need to learn about the Power BI first, and then you need to get well aware of these things and also about the SQL. So if you ask me for my personal opinion, then I will say the Power BI skill itself is enough if you really want to get into a job. And if you have an experience of SQL, data warehousing, SSAS or SSIS, that's going to be an added advantage for you. But it's not like just being an experience in Power BI, you'll not get a job. For sure, you will get a job. I have also shown you this. Many jobs are there which required only your Power BI experience. So I hope you have got this information about do you have any career in Power BI and what are the things you need to learn and everything. So if you got clear understanding of these things, please hit the like button, or if you have any queries and feedback, then please post it in the comment section below. I want to know about what actually you need, and I will try to help you as much as possible in order to build your career. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.